Hello everyone. Let me show you what it is that I have built in this last semester here. I learned to build this website using back-end technologies built in PHP with database using SQL. So this whole project was built using MVC architecture, model view control. So basically, I have these models that perform all of my SQL searches. They pull everything from the database, they push everything from the database. I have these controllers here that, based on case statements that I send through the website, will deliver me to our various views, which are the actual web pages themselves. Um, Done this way, I was taught to provide extra security to the site. So let's jump right in. So right from the beginning, our navigation list is built in our database based on all the different classifications of vehicles that this website shows. So as we click on each of these, it'll show us each of the different types of vehicle for each type of classification. And so on any of these that we want to click on here, we can see the image of the vehicle itself, some thumbnail images. We get to see some details about it. And we have a lovely little customer review section for everyone that wants to write themselves a review. So let's say I just bought the Invisible Boatmobile. I'm definitely happy with it in some ways. I'm not so happy with it in others. Lots of banging my shins. So how do we leave a review of our own? Well, first we want to log in, and we're going to make ourselves a new user real quick. So we are Rusty Shackelford. Here's our lovely email, and so something about the password we'll find. So our passwords have to show certain naming conventions. So I can't just type in anything random. That won't work. And if we decide to try to get past validation because we're sneaky that way, won't work. These fields are sticky, but we have to follow the format if we want to get anywhere. So now that we've registered Rusty, we will throw him in. So we will log in. All right, and now we're in. Yes, let us save Rusty Shackelford. So now that we are logged in, now that we have an account, we can make reviews. However, I just realized the government's on to me. My Rusty Shackelford alias has been blown. So we're gonna have to change this user information. Luckily, it's really easy. It is easy for us to change passwords if we need to, or any of our names. So let's see, our current alias isn't working. So we're going to rename ourselves. We are now Krusty Shackelford. Yes, that we are. So we see this change is complete. We even see it on our login here. So now let's do some reviews. So here we go. So we have our review. We can now see that. We see C. Shackelford wrote on today's date. We see our review, and that's not all. We can also edit or delete our reviews if it should be. And so, actually, now that I've written this review, I realize it's sort of a poor decision to advertise this where the government can find me. So let's what do we want to say? This car is really good for helping me perform legitimate business. There we go. Actually, Nah, too risky. Let's just get rid of it. Let's just get rid of it. Oh, fill out this field. No, no validate, no validate. We'll just get rid of it. Get rid of it. Oh, okay. I have to type something in order to make a change. Unless I want to delete it. Yeah, sure. Let's just delete it. Let's just get it out of here. Okay. I don't want people knowing that I have this invisible boatmobile. Whew. Thank God. That was rough. So, I think with that, we Krusty here nearly did himself a bad, nearly blew his cover with the government. So, let's see. Luckily, yeah, the review's going all right. So, I think we're just gonna get out of here. We're just gonna get out of here. In fact, we're gonna go sell our car. So with that, let's shift hats. So I'm now I'm gonna log in as the administrator to our website because we just got a fellow by the name of Krusty Shackelford that decided to sell us a rather beat up vehicle. So because I'm an admin account, because the database actually checked um, the weight of this user, the admin user, has the highest privileges. We actually have a couple other options than just our same account management and our views management before. So here we can actually manage the inventory, the actual classifications and vehicles therein, as well as our images. So we're going to add a vehicle. Krusty has sent us a new vehicle. Um, an old beater. The price, I mean, this thing is pretty worthless, let's be honest. Only one of it for now. Yeah, I guess I'm not sure what to do with the color. Let's see, what do I write for this? There we go. There we go. Boom. Thank you for adding the old beater. So, that now exists in our website, but we aren't going to see it just yet because we need to produce an image for this guy. So, for our old beater, and we can see all of our vehicles in here. For the old beater, let us add this image for it, upload this, and so now we can see added in real time right away, instantly added to our database, we have the old beater. Okay, so we see the details for it, the color, how many in stock, the price. We see everything for there. We can even make a review for this. There we go, there we go. So now we have a brand new review. Now that's there, I'm sure people are going to want to buy this thing in no time at all. Yeah, that is the PHP Motors website. These are the things that we're able to use. Oh, what's that? Oh, my phone's ringing. Yes, Krusty. You really you want to buy it back already? Oh, good lord. Okay, goodbye, Krusty. I'll see you soon. All right. Well, folks, it looks like our old beater. We want to get rid of this thing. So, how do we want to do this? So, in our inventory management, we're going to look at the old beater. First, if we wanted to, we can show that these things can be changed. Now that I actually saw the details of the vehicle, we can update the vehicle and show that these things have been changed. But we can also go into the inventory and say, okay, Krusty, you want your car back? then we'll take it out. And this view won't let me edit anything. It'll just show me what's going on and let me delete it should I so choose. So boom, the old beater's been deleted. Hopefully Krusty is a customer again. We prefer to buy than to sell, but we'll do whatever we need. So that is, I believe, more or less everything I want to show with the PHP Motor site. Okay, I'll show you a PHP admin. I suppose I should have done that before getting rid of everything. But basically, in our database here, we have our different types of classifications. We also have our specific inventory of vehicles. These databases, or these tables in our database, I should say, they reference one another. So here, as I the invisible boatmobile, for instance, it has its inventory ID, but it also shows what classification it is. It tells it where to go in our stuff. We've deleted other stuff, but we haven't deleted good old Krusty Shackelford here. And you can also see some of the password hashing that we do for lovely security. But other than that, that is the PHP Motor site that I spent this last semester developing. Something I'm very proud of. Front-end web design isn't so much of a talent of mine, and so I've always loved, working in Python, doing, I guess, more conventional coding. And so being able to, build something like this and, learning how to use PHP as well as SQL and using databases was really wonderful. So my name is George Blanchard, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.